Guaranteed, this eyeliner technique will take your eyes from looking like this to bigger, brighter, and elongated. If you especially have hooded eyes and you have the fold of your hood going past the outer corner, this eyeliner technique is a lifesaver. Eyebrows are such an important component of any eye makeup, especially if you have less lid space. I'm going to first use an eyebrow gel. This is a transparent gel by Milk Makeup, and I'm going to completely saturate my eyebrows with this. And then I'm going to push my brow hair all the way up. That's going to give that feathered out effect while keeping my brow hair in place. And then using the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade 4.5, I'm only going to fill in the sparse areas. And that's going to keep the brows light and fluffy, and it's not going to weigh down on my lids. And by pushing the brow hair up, we're maximizing the space underneath for eye makeup. Using either a concealer or an eyeshadow primer, make sure to even out that skin tone under your brows. I'm going to be using the Milani concealer in the shade 145. When you even out that skin tone, it gives you more flexibility to play around with that space underneath the brows and perhaps create a new lid space. Before I do any kind of eyeliner, I like to define my crease. And for that, I'm going to be using the 1111 palette by ColourPop. Using the shade Right Path, I'm going to blend this out in the socket area of my lid as well as the outer corner using the Sigma E40 blending brush. I'm going to softly blend as I add more eyeshadow, and that's going to contour my lid space, creating a shadow in the socket area, and that gives the illusion of a bigger lid space. I'm going to use the same eyeshadow in my lower lash line to define it, first using a small definer brush, and then I'm going to soften it further with a blending brush. This step is optional, but I just felt like adding some sparkles to my lid, so I'm going to be using Balanced right in the center of my lid with my finger, and I'm going to gently spread it out. Now for the eyeliner itself, you don't have to do any of this. I just wanted to show you a complete eye look, and that's why I went through all these steps, but you can skip all of these and go directly to the eyeliner. Usually if you have hooded eyes and you try to do a winged eyeliner, the wing itself can interfere with that extra skin which we call the fold of the hood, and the wing itself can look distorted. So instead of starting from the top lash line, I'm going to start from the lower lash line. I'm going to use a black eyeshadow with an angled brush. As you can see, I'm going to leave a little bit of gap from the lashes itself, and I'm going to go parallel to my lash line and take it all the way to the outer corner, extending it. And then I'm going to join that to my top lash line in the very outer corner. That leaves us with a wing that does not interfere with the fold of the hood. I'm going to lightly shade that wing inwards, and then I'm going to start shading it in my lower lash line. I'm using a small detailed brush for this, and I'm going to link it in the description box below. And then to soften everything up, I'm going to use a blending brush. I don't have any extra eyeshadow on the blending brush. I'm only using it to soften it and smoke it out. Taking a little bit more of that black eyeshadow, I'm going to line my top lash line very close to the lashes and connect it with the wing in the outer corner. That looks fantastic, and now is when the real magic happens. White eye pencils work best for this, but you can also use a nude eye pencil. This is the Essence Stay and Play Gel Eyeliner in the shade 4. I'm going to use it to fill in that gap in the wing and draw it all the way to my lower waterline in the outer half. That gives the illusion that the white in your eyeball has all of a sudden expanded in size. That not only makes your eyes look bigger and brighter, it also looks elongated because of the extended wing in the outer corner. To finish up, I'm going to simply curl my lashes before I use a coat of mascara. The one that I'll be using today is the Smashbox Super Fan Mascara. You can also use false lashes if you prefer. Try to use something that wings out just to add to the wing in the outer corner, and that'll also help to cover some of that hood in the outer corner, but make sure the lashes are wispy so they don't cover up your lid space. Here's the finished eye look, but stay tuned because I'm going to zoom out and show you the entire look. Let's look at the before one more time. And here is the finished eye look. That looks fantastic, and what a big difference that makes. And when I zoom out, you'll see that it just gives a very youthful look as well. I'm going to pair this with one of my favorite lipsticks. This is the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Calle Ocho. And here is the finished look. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so comment below and let me know. And would you try this? If you do, please don't forget to tag me. My socials are all listed in the description box right below this video, along with links to all the products that I used today. You can also click on the View Products link in the shop that's linked right in this video. It's embedded on the left bottom corner. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye, guys.